Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will see how we can install or download Illustrator image for free. Images are mainly used for our various purposes. So let's get started. There are many such website forms where we can download them. I have selected some website from where we will actually learn how to download free and paid web image. So many websites are paid and some websites are free. So I am selected 5 websites where 3 are free and হচ্ছে 2 হচ্ছে paid. So let's get start our new videos and হচ্ছে we will see how to we make our Illustrator image download, and I make a slide for this purpose. I took 3 slides. There we can download are for free and 2 where we can download image for money. Now I see that I am doing 5 shows with Microsoft don't points, but thought that 5 websites are learning the jobs today. We have to open the website for the videos which is uploaded by you. So after that we have to download it from the website. First of all, we see the first website is Vectis, where are so many image Illustrator image, and I am selected one. Then it is very beautiful. How image you want, what you want, so many image in there. So first of all we press the free download option and হচ্ছে login option are opened, and if you are logging to your account or create your account, then we can download your image, image. So now the download are started. Show alls, I'm clicked it, and then we see file are download. So Vectis is very easy website where we downloaded our software image which you want. So it's very easy, and now we check the image. It is its download option. Our first we go our file option, then download and open zip file, unzip, then make it unzip and file are opened. You can free download it. We open the website for second website. It's Freepik. It's my favorite website and it's most popular for everyone. Very easy to download there. I'm create my ID and then I download it. I selected a cute elephant picture and press download, then free download, and downloading started. See, this picture are downloaded. It's also a zip file download, and we unzip it. Now we go to our file option, PC file option, then download and unzip this option. Click the mouse right button and press the unzip. Then see, the elephant is here. It's beautiful image, Illustrator image. so beautiful, and also our important also. So next we go our 3 slide, then it's a Pixabay. It's also a most popular. Then you see 2.5 million plus free image here. You'll download your needed image and use it everywhere. It's free, and also very good quality. Image quality is so good, so everyone can use it. And first of all, you log in your ID or create ID, then search vector image photos as you went. Then I downloaded it. Net is slow, that's why waiting. We are waiting. It's very slow. So then we see many more images in here. We see it. I really appreciated this website for downloaded image. I really like this. I'm sure and absolutely I know you also like this website for using your image downloaded. It's too easy. So you choose any image, vector image or simple image, anything you use. So we see the third slide, Pixabay. Net is too much slow, that's why it's loading, but we are waiting for opening image. We selected the mom and kids image for download. Another option to download an image. Then we see click the mouse right button to select the photos and save image. Then you can download your image. See, the photos are downloaded. Download is completed. So it's a new tricks. And then we see the images are opened, and now we click free download. Many option to resolution image, then click download. If you want, you change the resolution, high or low resolution as you went, and click download. And the net purpose, it's slow. Click the download and images are downloaded. So we are waiting for net. It's too much slow. See, we are waiting for net. It's very important to using slide which image. How can I download this? So there are an option, I'm not a robot, and choose bicycle. Now we can download it. See, the picture is started for download. And fourth slide we are opened. Vector stock. I am typing vector stock option and press enter. See, the website is opened. It's a paid website. So if you wanted to download image, you have to pay it first. there are many image in here. Illustrator will normal. If you want, you use it, but you must pay. So it's a paid website. Last two websites are paid and first two websites are free. So we are see this website. It's too many picture. This picture price $14.99 US, and if you pay, then you download this picture. This picture are ready for download if you pay for it. Okay, and you will pay this money from PayPal or Visa card, any. So we are open another picture. You see it also paid and free. We're searching free image, vector image, but there are no free vector image because of it's a paid site. All our image are paid, so that's why we see all the image are paid. Okay, then it is also $14.99 US, so that there are many image. It's paid and it's we want. If you want, you use it. It's a very beautiful image. It's also paid, and this price $39.99 US. Too much. And if you use second tricks, but there are no option to download, the link will download it. So paid website cannot be downloaded any picture, and they are not permitted you to download any picture from their website anyway. Okay, so it's a vector stock. Then we see this is a last downloaded picture from Pixabay. Okay, and then we see the last website, Shutterstock. It's paid also, and we see the website is coming, and their image, vector image, and I also use it for money. It's not a free website, but there are a lot of image for using. Start image or vector stock and Shutterstock, these two websites are paid. See, there are many more image. This video image, beautiful and high quality, nice picture also. Search, there are many topics and unique photos also. See, free download with trailer. You can use 1 month trailer and 10 photos free download, but if you want to create your account, then it's allowed to download 10 image free. So you see, the net is too slow, we can waiting, just waiting for coming net. We'll search and see get 10 free image now if you create your account. So there are 5 websites we see. Free vector image downloader website, 3 websites, and 2 websites are paid. So I think you all are understand these videos. If any problem, please feel free comment, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz everyone. Thank you.